Hello to you all, my fans, my subscribers. Today I want to show you how to delete your Facebook post at once. Go to your Facebook, open your Facebook, then click to settings, Facebook settings found here. Click on the three lines, then scroll downwards to settings. Click on settings, then you have to scroll down to activity log. Open activity log like that. After that, you click on manage your posts. So I click on manage on my posts like that. As it opens, it is opening. Then if you want to delete all your posts, your Facebook posts, you can click or you can select all. If you want to delete some, you have to scroll down all your posts since the day you opened your Facebook account. If you want to delete some of the posts, these are the procedures. Then you tick or you mark what you want to delete. These are my posts since I created my Facebook account. You click or you select what you want to delete, then click on recycle bin. You know that all your selected posts will be deleted. As you can see, I'm deleting the selected post. So this is the process how you can delete unwanted or all your posts that you wish to delete on your profile, the Facebook profile account. That is all about today. That is the tutorial. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials, for more updates. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining me. Thank you.